Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make sweet potato salad Indian style. We will begin by preparing the sweet potatoes, ensuring they are perfectly cooked. Next, we will explore the aromatic spices and fresh herbs that define this dish. Finally, I will guide you through combining all the elements to create a truly delightful and easy-to-make salad, perfect for any meal. To start, gather your ingredients. You will need approximately 2 pounds of sweet potatoes, peeled and cut into 1-inch cubes. For the dressing, have on hand a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, 1 small red onion finely chopped, and the juice of 1 lemon. Don't forget your spices. 1 teaspoon each of ground cumin, coriander, and turmeric, plus a 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now let's craft the flavorful dressing. In a small pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Add the finely chopped red onion and sauté for about 3 to 4 minutes until it softens and turns translucent. Next, stir in the ground cumin, coriander, turmeric, and red chili powder. Cook these spices for approximately 30 seconds, allowing their aromas to fully develop, then take the pan off the heat. For the final step, gently combine the cooked sweet potato cubes with the fragrant spice and onion mixture in a large bowl. Pour in the fresh juice from 1 lemon and sprinkle in the 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro. Toss everything together carefully until all the ingredients are evenly coated. This delicious Indian sweet potato salad is now ready to be enjoyed, either warm or at a comfortable room temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.